Hello and welcome to your morning practice. My name is Keegan, the Balanced Nomad, and today I'm going to be taking you through this short 5-minute morning class that's going to help you awaken your body even if you're short on time. I'm just going to get right into it. We're going to start in a butterfly pose. So bringing legs into this diamond shape, bringing feet in towards the groin. Closer feet are in towards you, the more intensely you'll feel this one, so choose your option. Inhale, arms above your head and folding over, really hinging from the hips here. Drop into palms or fingertips and bringing the head down. And walking hands over to the right side, feeling a bit of a side bend here. Breathing into that left side body, always remembering to connect and stay with the breath throughout this practice. And walking over to the other side, feeling the stretch on the right side body now. And moving back through center. And we can walk ourselves up with the hands, moving to tabletop. From here, finding 3 rounds of cat and cow. Starting inhaling, dropping the chest, bringing gaze up to the sky. Exhaling, rounding out through the back, bringing chin to chest. Inhaling to cow. And exhaling to cat. Inhaling and exhaling. From here, pushing up to downward dog. Might be really stiff here in the morning. Maybe paddling out the legs if that feels good for you. Or maybe giving a little rock out with the hips. Just moving intuitively here. And extending right foot up, bending into that leg and pulling it through, coming to a low lunge position. Hands frame out that front foot. And tucking the toes, coming up to runner's lunge here. So back knee is lifted and just moving back and forth a few times. Feeling this stretch in the left hip flexor. And planting that left hand and lifting up the right, just feeling a bit of a twist here. Dropping that right hand down, bringing back foot in slightly, coming into pyramid pose. Back foot is at a 45-degree angle, pointing towards the left top corner of the mat. You can keep the right knee bended slightly and folding over. And we're going to step right back into our downward dog. This time planting left hand in the center and reaching onto that left ankle with the right hand, gazes up underneath your armpit to the sky. And finding the twist on the other side, planting right hand in the center, grabbing to the outside of the right ankle, gaze up to the sky. Planting that right hand, extending left foot up, opening up the hip, bending into the knee, and pulling through to our low lunge on the opposite side. Breathing into that right hip flexor. And tucking the back toes, coming to runner's lunge. Just move back and forth here. And planting that right hand, extending left overhead, coming into our twist. Planting that right hand, moving to pyramid, walking back foot slightly in. Back foot is at a 45-degree angle, pointing towards the top right corner, and we can bend, bringing knee to nose, keeping a slight bend in that left knee if that feels good. Stepping back to downward dog. Moving to knees and coming to a seated pose in the center of the mat. Opening legs, finding our straddle pose. Just gonna find some side bends from here. You can inhale, arms above you, and bending over to the left side. Coming back up to center and finding it on the right. Finding our cross leg position. Inhaling, arms up, and finding a twist over to the right side. Left hand comes to the top of the right knee. Inhaling up, finding the twist on the opposite side. And coming to center. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I know this was a super short one, but I hope you're feeling a bit better in your body and ready to take on your day. If you have a bit more time, you can always check out one of my longer morning classes. But if not, have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Namaste.